Hey guys, last week I made a video on how to sew your own mask for the coronavirus. And it's gotten a lot of traffic, and a lot of people have been sending me messages saying how easy it was and they loved it, and that they've made their own mask and they feel more secure as we now have orders to wear masks when we are out in public. Now, we shouldn't be out very much, period, but of course we do need to go to the market and the pharmacy. So I thought about those folks that don't have access to a sewing machine and don't have great sewing skills. So I wanted to think about, how can I make you a mask that was easy to make, comfortable, and yet effective enough that you're not spreading anything to your friends and neighbors. So what I came up with was to take the sleeve off of an old shirt. So this was my son's t-shirt. I cut off the sleeve. I literally just cut it right along the seam, okay, in the armpit. And then I had this little triangular piece. But that triangular piece has a natural hem. So I passed a shoelace through. I used a pencil to kind of poke it and guide it through, kind of like the hood on a sweatshirt, you know, when the string comes out. So now I have a shoelace. Who doesn't have a shoelace in an old t-shirt lying around? Now take your mask and lay it on a table. What I want you to do is grab a bread tie, just a simple wire bread tie. You're going to lay it at the top of your triangle, and you're going to grab some tape. I don't want you to use regular tape, but this is bandage tape, not the paper style, but more of the cloth kind that has some grit to it. And you're going to tape that bread tie to the inside upper part of that triangle. This is going to be the nose bridge. Now, you can add a little bit of a filter by adding just another layer of fabric. In this case, it's just a little piece of cotton that I had, and I'm going to tape it to the inside of the mask, again, with this tape. This tape holds up to water, so it means you can, a little bit of sweat or moisture inside the mask, and it'll all still hold together. You could also use coffee filter, tape that into place, or you could use a piece of a cloth grocery bag, the reusable kind. And again, not real paper, not plastic, but that mesh fabric-y style bag. Now after you have put your nose bridge in and you have added a little bit of a liner, you're going to pick up your mask, you're going to pinch it over your nose, you're going to wrap the laces over your ears. Now you're going to pull the laces towards the front, you're going to go under your chin, and you're going to tie it. And it's so easy with things that you have right at home. Now if you don't have medical tape like this handy, you could use a piece of duct tape. Okay, you don't want to use Scotch tape, but it won't hold. But now I can pinch the bridge of my nose, it's snug, I'm tucked in across the bottom, and now I can easily put my glasses on, it's not going to fog up, and I'm set. So this is an easy, no-sew option that you can use to keep yourself safe and not spread the germs to your loved ones.